tshuva does not mean I hate myself, I'm worthless, I'm garbage. Rabbi Nachman says that's the Yetzer Hara mamish. You know what it means to do tshuva? Throw away all of your sophistication. Stop trying to do things. Just do them. Stop trying to make something happen. Just do it. Stop finagling people to try and make a business deal. Just go make a business deal. It's that simple. Can you imagine? What would you be upset about if you lived like that? Nothing. Where do you get upset from? Because you try your little eeny-weeny genius plans to impress this person, to have a good favor with that guy that I want to go out with, to look a certain way in front of this boss. That guy's a connect. I can go do a sort of twisted plan in order to get it. That is the cause of all of your sadness. Besides the fact that it doesn't work. Because you don't have to do that. Every time you do that, you're saying one thing implicitly. I don't believe Hashem can or wants to take care of me. That's what you're saying. If you were trying to come up with a genius plan to make bank that involves fleecing people of their money, what are you saying? I don't believe Hashem can or wants to take care of all of my needs. That person will never be happy. Because happiness comes with being who you are. Who are you? You are simple.
לא ינום ולא יישן